Hi, Mr. Betafish. How are you doing today? I'm gonna change your water, get you in some nice, fresh, clean water, and then I'm gonna give you your fish food. You like that? I bet you do. Hey guys, good morning. That's Mr. Betafish. And over here, I have a plant. I tend to use this little area because it's such a nice view. I use it for my nature stuff. Here I have this learning resource globe. It's also a puzzle. The kiddos like to play with it, and then they pull the pieces apart, and when they try to fit them back, I'm like, guys, if you don't put back the pieces the correct way, we're going to be living on another continent. And beside that, we have this. It's a pencil holder. I got it a couple years ago from Target. Sometimes I use it for its intended purpose. Sometimes I just have it there as a sculptural display. That's what the decorators would say. When you don't use something for its intended purpose, it's like a sculpture. Over here I have my watering can that I got from IKEA. And I honestly don't know the name of this plant, but it's thriving right by this window here. It's getting lots of air, it's getting lots of sunlight, and of course it adds beauty to my decor. On this IKEA Trofast system, I have a setup for my toddler. She is 2 years and 2 months. So what I have going on here, these activity, it speaks to our executive functioning skills. So here we have some puzzles, that she have to fit into the spaces. So she have to be applying a lot of logic and reasoning as to how to get the pieces in. She's doing also some fine motor skills coming out there because she have to be twisting her wrist, she has to be working her fingers to get them in. And at the same time, we have some language because she's identifying the parts, naming the parts. We have shapes and we have fruits. We can even talk about colors. Over here, I have this awesome toy from Guidecraft. That's another nice place to get toddler toys from. I have quite a few stuff from them. And she's going to be doing some lacing because I am working on her bilateral coordination. I want to get her to use both hands. So she will have to hold the beads with one hand and then use the other hand to thread the lace through. Because if you notice, sometimes when they're doing even when they're eating and they're doing tabletop activities, you find the plate or the paper is sliding off the surface because they still don't know how to use both hands. One hand to secure and then the other hand for the operation. So this activity, this lacing activity, focuses on that. And of course you have some eye-hand coordination coming out and fine motor skills because she the tip of the lace is shaped like a pencil, so she have to be using those fingers, those fingers that you use for writing. She has to be using those fingers to thread the lace through the wool. Over here we also have I basically want her to be doing some counting over here and also recognizing sizes. So there I have that Montessori toy, so she'll be doing big and little, so she have to apply logic and apply reasoning and to see which of the pegs fit into the little the spots. And then for the beehive here, she can use her tweezer, take up the beehive, she can match them to the respective beehive, or she can just put them in freely. Either which way, she's still learning. And there you have it, my toddler and my nature corner. Thanks guys, see you next time.